Hello, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I show you how to make a shape box from cardboard with 4 digits password. Okay, you see a shape box with 4 digits password. Okay, cannot open, cannot open, cannot open. So to open this unique password, the password is 9 and 9. Okay, open, and here the password is 10, then 0, then open. So we can open, you see. Wow, okay. So to close this, close, turn, then close, turn around, okay, you see. Thank you. If you like that video, please press like, share, then subscribe on my channel. And if you want to make this shape box, you can watch again another video in my channel that I show you clearly how to make this video. Thank you. Goodbye.